So if you get this error message while trying to install the Android emulator, there's a way around it. So first of all, you have to make sure your graphics card drive is up to date. So make sure your graphics card is up to date. Then when you're done with that, download this file, advanced features, which I'll leave in the description below. So when you download this file, we need to put this file into a directory. I'll put the directory on the screen. So to navigate into this directory, you need to open File Explorer. Then go to this PC. Then the drive C, users, PC name .android. So here's where we are going to copy the file and drop it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this file and drop it here. But I already have the file there, so I'm going to skip. So, but this is the file. So when you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is make sure the Windows features supporting virtual machines are all enabled. To do that, you need to go to Control Panel. Then go to Programs. Then turn Windows features on. So here we're going to make sure the Hyper-V is enabled. Then when we scroll down make sure the virtual machine platform 2 is also enabled. Then Windows Hypervisor platform 2 is also enabled. Then you click OK. You ask to restart your machine when you do. So make sure you restart your machine. After doing that, the next thing you have to do is go into your BIOS and make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Because if the virtualization is not enabled in the BIOS, it still wouldn't work. So make sure the virtualization is enabled in your BIOS.
So if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel.